I'm here today with Tim Bailey, Director of Education at the Gilder Lehrman Institute for American History, to talk about the thinking skills involved in the AP US History exam. Along with the multiple choice, the short answers, DBQs, and free response essays, you'll have to practice thinking like a historian to be successful with the AP US History exam. Hey, Tim.
Hi, David. How you doing?
Good.
You know, I was looking at the new AP test and the new AP course, and what I'm seeing is something that they're calling historical thinking skills that they're asking students to take on. And as I was reading through them, I thought they could be explained in a little bit clearer language. Let me give you an example here. We have historical causation. Now, this is the way they explain it. Historical thinking involves the ability to identify, analyze, and evaluate multiple cause and effect relationships in a historical context, distinguishing between long-term and proximate.
Okay. So basically what this means is that you have to be able to establish cause and effect while understanding the connections between multiple historical events. For example, consider the many factors leading to Lincoln's election in 1860 and the massive fallout that ensued. You'll need to be able to make these important connections on the fly.
All right, okay. How about this? Patterns of continuity and change over time. So we have historical thinking involves the ability to recognize, analyze, and evaluate the dynamics of historical continuity and changes over periods of varying lengths, as well as relating these patterns to larger historical processes or themes.
Okay, so look at it this way. History is made up of many interconnected moving parts. Your job is to establish how all of these parts work together across time and space. A good example would be the political history of slavery in the United States. You have to factor in every old compromise, deal, or issue that contributed to the start of the Civil War.
All right, okay, this one's kind of long. Periodization. Historical thinking involves the ability to describe, analyze, evaluate, and construct models of historical periodization that historians use to categorize events into discrete blocks and to identify turning points, recognizing that the choice of specific dates favors one narrative, region, or group over another narrative, region, or group. Therefore, changing the periodization can change a historical narrative. Moreover, the particular circumstances and context in which the individual historians work and write shape their interpretations and models of past events.
Okay,
Yeah.
So let's simplify this a little bit. Putting more plainly, this means that historians work to break history into series of turning points, each based on critical events.
Okay.
Let's reach back for our first example. Christopher Columbus landing in 1492 began a period of exploration and discovery in the Western Hemisphere. And that's it.
All right. Well, thank you, David.
And thank you, Tim. And remember, head back to the Gilder Lehrman website for way more resources and information to be successful on the AP US History exam.